Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude AI for research. So Claude AI is a great tool for research, but it doesn't always fetch live internet data unless tools or some tools are enabled. So to use or to effectively use Claude AI for research, of course, you would like, first of all, to go to claudeai.com, make sure that you're logged in into your account. It's better to be logged in so your chats will be always safe. So there are some specific things that you will need to do to AI, especially at prompting, so you can make it as an example better. Like instead of telling them, oh, you're trying to make a research about AI, instead of saying, tell me about AI, you can, as an example, ask to explain AI in simple terms for beginners. Or maybe you can say, give me 5 key points about AI in business. So if you have a better question or better prompting, you will definitely get a better answer. Also, make sure if you do have some PDFs, some sources, make sure to upload or paste the sources first. If you paste articles or upload some PDFs or notes, you can ask Claude, as an example, to summarize it or extract key ideas or find important data from those specific sources or maybe studies. So maybe the study or the source is big and you can just come here, try to upload an example, the PDF or the study, whatever you want, or just paste the link of the source, and you can ask it to summarize this example for you and give it the key points that you need. Also, one of the things that are very crucial in Claude, if you're using it for research, is basically leverage or utilize the projects feature. So if you go to the Slack panel, you'll find here a new chat and you'll find projects. If you go and start your new project and try to make your research inside the projects, this will make it much effective. Why? Because you'll be able to upload materials, set some custom instructions, and organize conversations in one space. And as an example, each project will be for specific research. It's very useful for organized, theme-specific knowledge management, and also you can enable the research tool for deep and multi-step queries. So as an example here, if we can go and create a new project, this project will be named AI as example. Let's say I'm trying to create research about AI. Here as an example, you can enable the web search, or maybe you want to upload your own PDF to be based on. Here where you can upload as an example your files, your PDF, your research, your sources. Here you can give it some specific instructions. And here as an example, for the memory, you will be able to see like the instructions in the file. Of course, you can change the model if you want to, because as you can see, this is most capable for ambitious work. This is most efficient for everyday tasks. This is fastest for quick answers. And also make sure to enable this adaptive thinking. It will think for more complex tasks. Of course, it will also be useful to make a better research. Here you have more models if you want some of these models you would like to upgrade. And yeah, that's basically how you use Claude better for research. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.